Welcome to Phonics Fun. This is the letter H and it makes the sound. Can you say it with me? Horse, helicopter is for house, is for hearts, is for hammer, is for hive, is for hat. Listen carefully. Can you find the word that starts with the sound? Doll, train, hippos. Which one was it? Was it train, dolls, or hippos? That's right. It was hippos. Hippo starts with the sound. Blendosaurus is trying to sound out and say some words, but he needs help to blend them together. He needs help with blending the sounds together. Let's try and help him. At, hat. Ot, hot, hot. Hen. Op, hop. Him. Well done, everybody, and thank you for helping Blendosaurus. We have been learning the sound today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any lessons. And also, I've put lots of my videos into different playlists, so they're organised into different categories like stories and phonics and other areas of learning.